Good morning, students. Subject EVS, lesson number 4, lesson name Water. Students, today we are going to learn new lesson Water. Students, let's take the first activity. Tick right the activities that need water. Swimming. Swimming activity that need water. So here is right mark. Swimming activity that need water. So here is right mark. Running. Running activity do not need water. So here is box will be blank. Running activity do not need water. So here box will be blank. Okay, got it, student? Third activity, boating. Boating activity that need water. So here is right mark. Fourth activity, cooking. Cooking activity that need water. So here is right mark. Fifth activity, reading. Reading activity do not need water, so here is box will be blank. Okay, got a student? Now let's start new lesson water. Now I read the lesson. So look at that paragraph very carefully. Put a finger that line which will be going on one by one. Okay, students? All living things need water. We cannot live without water. We get water from lakes, rivers, and ponds. From where do the lakes, rivers, and ponds get water? We know that the upper parts of mountains are covered with snow. During summer, this snow melts and changes into water. This water comes down in the form of streams and rivers. Sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. It fills rivers, lakes, and ponds. Some water goes into the soil. It is called underground water. We get underground water from wells, tube wells, and hand pumps. How we get pure drinking water? Before water reaches our homes from rivers, it is collected in tanks and purified in water treatment plants. Then it is supplied to our homes through underground pipes. At home, we get water from taps. It may contain germs that can make us sick. We can kill these germs by boiling it or by using a water filter. Nowadays, electric water filters are connected to the taps to get pure water. Water pollution. Human beings are responsible for making the water dirty. We should stop making water dirty. Dirty water is bad for health. It is bad for the plants and animals too. Water is precious. Save it. In summer, many lakes and rivers dry up. People in villages do not get enough water. We face shortage of water in cities too. So, it is our duty to save water and use it wisely. You too can save water. Follow the tips given below. First, turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Second, turn off the tap properly to avoid leakage. Collect rainwater and use it for washing or watering plants. Use phone number. Use a bucket of water to take a bath. Using a shower is fun, but it wastes a lot of water. Fifth, do not throw the leftover water of your bottle. Use it to water the plants. Do not throw the leftover water of your bottle. Use it to water the plants. Okay, students?
All living things need water. Water plays an important role in our day-to-day life. 60 to 75% of our body weight is water. When we sweat, we lose some of the water from our body. We should replace that water by drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day. Now, let's study about it in detail.
You and I, plants and animals, need water to live. We need fresh water for drinking, bathing, washing clothes, cooking, and watering plants.
You know now that we cannot live without food. Most of the food we eat comes from plants. Plants need water to make their food. Plants also look clean and healthy when they get washed in water. Many land animals enjoy being in water. It keeps their bodies not just clean but cool also. Animals feel thirsty too. They drink water to quench their thirst. Some animals live in water. Water is their home. An animal, whether living on land or in water, needs water to stay alive.
Rain is the main source of fresh water. Rain falls on the ground and collects in lakes and ponds. When it flows, it forms small streams and big rivers.
These are known as freshwater bodies.
Sometimes the rainwater seeps through the ground and collects underground.
This water is called groundwater.
We can reach this water by digging wells, water pumps, and tube wells.
We have man-made sources like dams and canals for collecting and distributing water.
Water pollution. All of us need water. As our population grows, we need more water. But we need pure and clean water. Today's problems are shortage of water and water pollution. Water gets polluted when we throw garbage into the rivers, immerse idols into lakes and ponds, wash clothes or bathe in the rivers, dump waste from factories, etc. We suffer from typhoid, jaundice, hepatitis, and gastroenteritis when we drink this polluted water. Water purification. Drinking water should be very pure. Water should be purified before we drink it. Boiling, filtering, using a water filter or water purifier, etc., are some of the methods of purifying water. Boiling is the best way to purify water. We must boil it for 15 to 20 minutes at least. There is very little fresh water available on earth. But we carelessly waste water. Water is precious. It should not be wasted.